We are right here at the press con of Mr. World 2020. Hello, beautiful guys. How do you feel right now? Tapos na po ang ating press presentation.
I feel ecstatic right now and I am ready to give my best so that the whole province of Pampanga will be proud of me.
What made you decide to join Mr. World?
I decided me to join, of course, to promote my advocacy to the anti-bullying and also to the mental health, because everybody knows that mental health isn't just a Philippine problem, but it's a world problem. So I want to stop the depression right now that we're experiencing.
Speaking of experiences, you have a lot of experiences already, Balacan, in the pageant world. Now, what's Mr. World differs from any other pageants that we have there? And also, you've joined.
Mr. World Philippines is heavily involved with the advocacy, and this time I really want to push through with my advocacy stories that inspire. As an actor, as a performing arts major, and yeah, I would like to promote storytelling through performing arts, because I truly believe that storytelling can really change somebody else's perspective when it comes to decision making process. It can also influence people.
It's the world most desirable man, isn't it? That's the hashtag now. So, how many percent are you desirable, and how can you be desirable to men? Yeah.
So I think I am a 100% desirable man because I know to myself that with the value that I have, I can be able to influence others as well, to be themselves as well, especially to help other men to be desirable as well.
For now, maybe like I'm 80% desirable. I cannot say that I'm 100% desirable right now, because for now I didn't do everything that best. I didn't do the best out of me right now. And abangan nyo sa big stage.
Well, I can say 100% as of the moment, because I can confidently say that I can be authentically me when there is media and no one's watching me around, and especially when I'm with my brothers. So yeah, so how can I be more desirable to men? I came from a very humble beginning in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, and we have almost nothing when I was growing up. And I think my story of resilience and success can be an inspiration to every Filipino man watching me out there.